Hi, Xitllalis. Good morning. How would you sleep, huh? Are you the only one awake yet? Don't you still sleep? And still missing one sock, huh? Where'd you get your sock? Where'd it go? Then we got coffee going. We're gonna make your breakfast. Are you ready for your breakfast? Oh, why do we get so blurry? There we go. Say hi. Good morning. Say I'm only 9 months old, but I'm such a big girl, huh? Let's pick on Xochitl. They're still sleeping. Look at the weather outside. It rained last night. Rainy day weather. For Xitllalis' little breakfast, we've been making you. We put an egg with half a banana, and we put some oatmeal in there. We mix it all up, and then it makes Lolly a pancake, huh? And she loves it. We'll see you in a few. Say bye.
Papa. Papa.
Say mama. Mama.
Ready.
Mama.
Mama.
Say it. Say it, girlfriend.
Yeah, you did it. Okay. Mama.
Say it.
Papa.
Say it.
Papa.
And now we have a banana pancake for Lolly. Are you excited for it? So we'll give Lolly some pieces of the pancake and some strawberries. We'll just let her go in on it. Huh, Lolly? It's so good? You like that one, huh? Say something, girlfriend. Hold it. Hold it. And then you eat it, remember? You eat it. You don't just play with it. You're just gonna play with it. Oh, there you go. There you go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Show us how you eat it. Show me how you eat it, babe. There you go. Uh-huh. Take your time. Hurry up, Lolly. Hurry up. Yummy, yummy. Mmm, it's so good, huh? Oh, good morning, Xochitl. How'd you sleep, babe? You found what I left you on your bed? Yeah. Good morning. Can you say good morning? Say, I'm Xochitl. And I am 3 years old. Oh, you're 3? Oh my goodness. Did you say hi to Lolly? Say hi, Lolly. Good morning. Did you sleep so good?
Yeah.
Are you hungry? No? Your breakfast is ready for you. Your breakfast is ready. What? What? Show me how pretty your hair is. You're so cute. Love you.
I leave.
Say bye.
Bye.
Ooh, 38 minutes past your mark, girlfriend. No, I'm sorry, not 48 minutes past your mark. 10:38 past
Mama.
Yes, Xochitl.
Please don't
Oh my goodness. What'd you do?
Hmm?
What'd you do?
Huh?
What did you do?
Oh.
You put lip gloss on? Is it so pretty? Oh my goodness, Xochitl.
Mama, it's okay.
Oh my god. I love you. Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
You playing together?
What he doing?
Give the other one to Lolly.
Mama,
What?
what he doing?
Yeah. Give the other one to Xitllalis. Wow. Oh, she's thinking. Xochitl, you cleaning?
Yes.
Good job, baby. Putting your blankets away in your drawers? I told Xochitl she could paint or draw, but first she has to clean up. So she brought her toys from the living room to her room. Now she has to put her blankets away, rather than just throwing it once you walk in. Her room. Craziness. And I told her to put her shoes on, and she chose these shoes. She's so cute.
Huh?
You go walking?
Mm-hmm.
You go walking?
What are you doing?
And then go.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Papa. I love you. Bye.
Where are you going?
I need a Maya.
Where are you going?
But I need to walk.
Where are you going?
At the here.
Where are you going?
Papa.
Where are you going?
Papa.
Hey,
Look.
hey, look what you did to me. Mira, you bite me.
Oh, doy.
Oh, you bit me. You bit me. You went, ow. Mira. Mira. Mira, that's what you bit me, Xitllalis. Mira. Ow. Mira. Mira. You bit me.
Dad, you know how we are here.
Yeah, you, Owie, Papa, here.
Yeah.
Alright, Papa gonna go work, okay? Love you.
Love you.
See you later.
Later.
See you later.
Later.
See you later.
I'll leave them.
Where you
Goodbye,
going?
Soch.
Where you going, Soch?
I need to go my mom. I need
Where you going,
mine.
Soch?
I need my mama.
Where you going?
Okay, Papa. Bye.
Okay, bye. I think we need to cut Daisy's eye, like the hair doesn't have.
Look at Lily's pooping. Lily's going potty. Lily's going potty. You okay? Yeah?
It's me. It's my
Oh, she's so dirty.